My name is Matthew Tierney. I'm the owner of Lawlesswood. We're based out of Charlotte, North Carolina.
Officers are making contact with them on the channel.
From an early age, I was always interested in the military and policing. That's kind of the route I took. This whole time, that was the plan. Career-wise, I was active for about 8 years, and then ended up getting out of active duty and going to Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department. Was there for about 5 years. Loved the job, loved policing in general, loved helping people. And that's what I wanted to do. I ended up getting on SWAT. It was a childhood dream being able to do that stuff, and I had a blast doing it. It was just too much going on in life where I'm missing the kids grow up and missing too many t-ball games and not being able to have dinner with them, put them to sleep. I was doing this and working and trying to hang out with the kids. It was just too much. I was like, I gotta try this. If it doesn't work, policing's not going anywhere. So I had actually left CMPD in September.
Matt's background in military and police and having that all-around love for our country, it is really put into every flag that he makes.
I've sold to, I guess, 48 states now. Once I started selling things and starting to put things on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or whatever, stuff completely blew up with millions of views. Some of it is my story, I think, having the military background and the police background. I think that helps, obviously, especially when you're making American flags. And it's a good product. A lot of people make flags. It doesn't mean that they're good.